All right, guys, we got an awesome device here. This is the PhotoStick by Omni, and I'm going to tell you a couple reasons why you need to pick it up. It is that easy. It will hold anywhere between 12,000 and 102,000 photos. Now, I can do videos as well, too, but we're going to talk specifically about photos. You're able to transfer it from Android or Apple devices to your Windows 7 later or Mac 10.130 operating system or later. So that is key. You are got to be running iOS 13 or later or Android 8 and later, just to keep in mind. And they have a free app to make it happen. So really cool device here. You have a QR code on the back that you scan, and it is a free app for you to use. So that is super important. Let's go ahead and take it out and see what we're working with here on the unit itself. So very simple. You see how this is. Like, look how small this is, able to make it happen. You have your directions right here on the back of it. So it has a quick start guide. It's going to tell you to download the app. So this is the PhotoStick Omni app from the App Store. So I have not done it yet. I'm going to show you how quick it is to make it happen. We're going to go here and scan the QR code. As long as I get my phone to work. Boom, open up. So let's go ahead and scan the QR code just like so. It is going to pop up the spot right there, which is super important. The PhotoStick Omni, we're going to hit get. Has a great rating overall, which is super sweet. Double click to install. And as fast as my internet can go, we'll get that installed on there. So once it's been downloaded, you plug the Omni stick into your phone or tablet and then hit the get started button. What's really nice about this one is you have 3 different connector points: USB-C, Lightning, and your USB, I forget which this one's called, your micro USB on the other side as well. So let's hit the open button. There is going to be your app, and you're going to be able to do get started. And then it says check your device is fully charged before backup files. Ensure your device are properly connected as always, and never disconnect. Hit the next. Says watch this video for best practices. Plug in the Omni. Okay, and then we're going to connect it. So I'm going to connect this to the bottom, just like so. I am going to take my stick right here. We're going to unplug it. You have a USB on this side, and then we are going to plug it directly in. Just like that. We got a little flashing red light right there, and we're going to hit connect. Okay. So has been disconnected. We're going to connect now. So we're going to connect. And then we have to find the items. So right here, you're going to be able to find all the stuff on my phone. We have downloads, drive, photo stick, and you can be able to access it right from there. This thing is super simple. You're going to hit next. We're going to go through the backup process and make it happen. Now, I do have certain items I want to back up on this. So what I like about this is I can choose this item and get multiple versions of these. So I can do backup of maybe family photos, backup of vacation photos, backup of different things, which is super important. And I'm definitely loving it. Guys, this is the Omni Photo Stick. You definitely got to check it out.